Welcome back to the Marty Sati YouTube channel. If you've got a wine bar and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sati platform to build a website for your business. If you aren't familiar with the Marty Sati service yet, we built Marty Sati to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles to have a professional, effective, and easy to update website. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Great thing about that free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link below this video and give it a go for 7 days. Now, once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to go ahead and search for my markets, wine bar. Awesome. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's summarize a few basic details about our wine bar so it can generate a simple website for us with the information we are currently putting in. I'm going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and allow multi-sites to create that website for us. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even 10 seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Monty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free for you to use. I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the various wines from all over the world that you have at your wine bar. You want to showcase them on your website so your customers can see. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that, how to make some minor amendments to your website template that Marty Site has created. You don't need to know coding whatsoever. You don't need to be a web professional in any sort of way. And you certainly don't need to hire one either to help you with this. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So I'm going to head to the top, click on the first section, go ahead and put in my email address. I want to make sure that email address is displayed on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Awesome. Let's go ahead and pop our phone number in for our business, and that is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my street address, my physical location. Great thing about that physical location, when your customers click on it, when your website's live, it will automatically take them to Google Maps so they can easily find your location. Under social links, go ahead and pop in your various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Let's go ahead and update our logo to make our website even more personalized. If you don't have a logo, I recommend you check out canva.com. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, zoom in, add filters, go ahead and click on that little pencil. Otherwise, click on save. You can make it bigger and smaller on the right over here. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors for you. If you want to change it to go with your branding a little bit better, go ahead and click on the little paint bucket. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. There's plenty to choose from. No color coding necessary. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and save that one for now. Very elegant and neutral. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath it. Click on Update image, browse your device, and upload your own. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use, very high quality. Under Content is where you can change that text that was pre-written for you. The button currently says order online. Maybe you wanted to say something else. Maybe you don't offer online ordering system. Maybe you want to say view our menu because you offer bar snacks or something along those lines. Go ahead and choose a link. You can link to another website if need be. And action. Otherwise, upload a PDF file like your menu under upload a new PDF file. So when your customers click on that button, will automatically take them to your menu. Under the next section is where you can put in your trading hours for your business, for your customers' convenience, so they know your opening hours. Pop them in over there and they will be displayed in that section. Look at that. All the other sections you want to make changes to, To make it a little bit more personalized, just click on update section directly underneath it, work your magic. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain. If you don't have a domain yet, you really want one to make your website look even more professional, click on I want a new domain. You can purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your wine bar. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions for the future on our platform, do comment below, drop us a message. We'd really love to hear your feedback.